In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Docusign quickly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Let's get started right away. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Docusign website. This tool is the #1 choice in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. It's an invaluable asset for both personal and professional use, allowing you to secure and authorize documents efficiently. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, turn your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you're new to Docusign, don't worry. Instead of logging in, look for the option that says sign up for free. Click on this link and you'll be redirected to a new page where you can begin setting up your account. Signing up is a straightforward process and it's free, so there's no need to reach for your wallet just yet. The next step involves setting up your profile. First, fill in your relevant personal and business information as prompted. This is where you'll input your name, email address, and any other requested details. Remember, the accuracy of this information is crucial, especially if you plan to use Docusign for official or legal documentations. Double check every entry to ensure there are no typos or mistakes. Once you've completed this section, follow the prompts to finalize your profile setup. It's quite intuitive, so just follow along and you should find it no trouble at all. Now that your profile is set up, it's time for the core functionality of Docusign, uploading your document. Look for the Start Now or Upload icon, which is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard once you've logged in. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select the document you wish to upload from your device. Make sure that the file is in a compatible format. Commonly supported formats include PDF, Word, and several others. Once your document is uploaded, you can begin the process of adding your electronic signatures. Navigate through the document, specify where you need signatures, initials, or any other additions. Docusign offers a user-friendly and responsive interface, making it easy to drag and drop these elements wherever they're needed on the document. And there you have it. You've just set up Docusign and uploaded your first document for electronic signing. With its intuitive platform, you'll find managing documents easier than ever before. Whether you're working with contracts, agreements, or any other types of documents, Docusign is a tool you'll be coming back to time and time again. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.